On the day campaigning ends for the last phase of elections, Prime Minister Modi will go on a meditation visit to Kanyakumari from 30th May. After Lok Sabha elections campaign, the Prime Minister will visit the Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari for Tapasya. The place also holds special significance as it is the same place where Swami Vivekananda had a vision of Bharat Mata. The rock had a major impact on Swami Vivekananda's life. Sources say, as this is the place where India's eastern and western coastlines meet, the Prime Minister aims to give out a larger message of national unity. Remember, in 2019, he had visited Kedarnath.
The Prime Minister has always believed in the unity and integrity of India. He has always believed that India's rich culture, rich history, rich traditions, rich diversity are our strength. He talks about a strong economy. He talks about respect for our historic traditions. And I think the amalgamation of the two is what makes India a great country.
स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था कि मेरे लिए इस देश के अंदर जितने भी पंथ और संप्रदाय हैं, जितने भी रिलीजन्स हैं, सब मेरे लिए समान हैं। और उसी के लिए वो जो उन्होंने संकल्प लिया है मोदी जी ने, उसी को मुझे लगता है कि उनको और ऊर्जा मिले, उनके संकल्प को ऊर्जा मिले। 140 करोड़ देश की जनता जो उनको आशीर्वाद दे ताकि अपने संकल्प को सिद्धि की तरफ ले जाए।
विपक्षियों के लिए कोई मैसेज जो उनको कहते हैं कि कैमरा के लिए वो मेडिटेट करते हैं?
मैं उनको केवल एक ही अपील करना चाहता हूँ, वो भी कर करके देखें। उन लोगों ने पहले से जो है पिछले 50-60 वर्षों के अंदर जिस प्रकार से गरीबों को जो है यहाँ पर बहकाया है, वोट बैंक की उन लोगों ने राजनीति की है, जिस प्रकार से सांप्रदायिकता का जहर इस समाज के अंदर देश के अंदर फैलाया है, जिस प्रकार से बांटो और राज करो की नीति को उन लोगों ने अपनाया है, उन्हें भारतीय संस्कृति की शरण में जाना चाहिए।
Well, soon after the news came in, opposition leaders started mocking Prime Minister. Congress's Jairam Ramesh drew a link to Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra. He said the yatra started from there, mocking the Prime Minister, saying the outgoing PM is starting his retired life from the same location. RJD's Manoj Jha said Prime Minister needs atonement for the words he has used during campaign, but he must go without cameras.
ध्यान का मतलब होता है ना कैमरा लेके मत जाइएगा प्रधानमंत्री जी। ध्यान का मतलब होता है आत्मचिंतन। कैमरा लेके गए तो फिर तो कैमरा जीवी है साहब। कैमरा मुक्त मेडिटेशन करिए तो आपको ख्याल आएगा कि बीते पूरे 7 चरण में आपने किस प्रकार की शब्दावली का इस्तेमाल किया। उसके लिए प्रायश्चित भी कर लीजिएगा। हमें कोई विजुअल्स नहीं चाहिए, बहुत सारे विजुअल्स हैं आपके, तब समझूंगा कि आपने ध्यान किया है। अन्यथा इसको मैं ढोंग और पाखंड के सिवा कुछ नहीं मानता।
देखिए, इस तरह का व्यक्तिगत टूर करने का सबको अधिकार है, प्रधानमंत्री कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, इसमें कोई आपत्ति किसी को है नहीं। लेकिन दिक्कत ये हो जाती है, आपत्ति में बात तब बन जाती है, क्वेश्चन उसे तब पैदा होता है जब हर चीज का अपने व्यक्तिगत दायरे का, व्यक्तिगत अधिकार का और व्यक्तिगत जो तौर तरीके हैं उसका उपयोग भी राजनीतिक तरीके से लाभ लेने के लिए किया जाता है, तो वहां निश्चित रूप से प्रश्न खड़ा होता है।
Niyamika is joining us with more details. Niyamika, so politics has begun over the Prime Minister's visit and reports of him meditating at Vivekanand Rock Memorial, and the opposition says he should go there without a camera.
Absolutely, as this is an allegation which the opposition parties are making. They are saying that this is being done on the part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi only for the optics, and for that reason they are saying that he wants to influence the voters as well, and that's the reason why now it is the Tamil Nadu Congress PCC president who has questioned this move of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he has also said that this can influence the voters because the last phase of voting is going to be held on June 1st, as he has also said that the Tamil Nadu Congress state unit is also going to approach the election commission regarding this entire matter, and he said that this is a clear-cut violation of the model code of conduct, and that's the reason why he has also said to the DGP and asked the DGP not to give permit to any such tour of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because this is also going to make an impact on the people who are going to visit the Kanyakumari during these days as well, because of the tour of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As on the other side, we have seen that how various other leaders of the India bloc parties have said and questioned this move of Prime Minister Narendra Modi by saying that this is just being done on the part of Prime Minister for the optics, as they have said that he will take a camera along with him when he will be there during for meditation in Kanyakumari. On the other side, the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has linked the Kanyakumari with the Bharat Jodo Yatra, as he said that it was Rahul Gandhi who had a good message to give, and that's the reason why Kanyakumari was being chosen to start the Bharat Jodo Yatra. But the Prime Minister is having just one view, is to give the optics to the country, and that's the reason why he will take a camera person along with him. So all of these politics is continuing regarding this move of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as the opposition parties are continuously attacking PM for his tour to Kanyakumari by saying that why this kind of thing is being done when the elections are going on, and that's the reason why even election commission will also be approached by the Congress party, as they are saying that this is a clear-cut violation of the model code of
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।